So when we collect all the fat from the kitchen, we store it and we freeze it until we have the sufficient volume that we need to start the process. So we use about 250 grams of fat per bottle of whiskey when we're doing a full bottle batch. So we'll take that pure saturated fat, that white fat, and we'll start to melt it down in a pan, and we make sure that it gets to a point where it boils. So this boils off any water that might still be in there, and this means we don't affect the alcohol content of the end product that we're producing, because we're not diluting it at all. Once it's melted, we'll sieve it and mix it into the whiskey itself, and we'll stir it to combine it as much as we can. Once this process is done, we'll pop it back into a 2 litre container, and we'll put it into the freezer. So this generally takes about sort of an hour or so to re-solidify the fat, and that completes the fat washing process. Obviously there's then lots of little white bits of fat floating around the whiskey, which guests might not enjoy. So we sieve those back out and to make sure that we've got a perfectly clear product to finish. And lastly, we pour it back into the bottle and it goes onto the bar, hopefully ready for some excited guests.